Hey everyone, welcome back to my SQL learning journey. Today, I was practicing how to use the group by and having clauses in SQL, and I'll show you a simple but powerful example I worked on. The task was this: find the average score for each country considering only customers with a score not equal to 0 and return only those countries with an average score greater than 430. And here's the query I wrote. Select country average score as average score from customers where score not equal to 0. Then group by country having average score greater than 430. Now let's break this down. Select country average score. This tells SQL that we want to list each country and calculate the average score. From customers, this is the table we are working with. Where score not equal to 0, this filters out any customer with a score of 0 before we group them. Group by country. This groups all customers by their country so we can calculate averages for each group. Having average score greater than 430. This filters the group results to only show countries with an average score greater than 430. The having clause is similar to where, but it is used after grouping, meaning it filters groups, not individual rows. When I run this query, you can see the output here. So here's the output. UK average score 750, USA average score 900. So we see that all the average scores here are greater than 430. This kind of query is really common in analytics. For example, to find top performing regions, products, or customers. If you found this example helpful, follow along as I keep sharing my daily SQL learning journey toward becoming a data engineer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.